सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are learn how to create a leaflet design for a real estate company. I make this leaflet using Adobe Illustrator CC. So here I want to create a new file. So I go for file menu and I want to create a new file, and my size will be A4 size, right? And name the file real estate. Okay, and then I press create for create a artboard. So here is my A4 size artboard. Now I want to make a leaflet design. So for that I press Ctrl R, neither go to view menu and show ruler. I need margin for that. I make a rectangle and change the color into yellow color, and then I copy this using Alt key with my keyboard, and I make another. Fine. The next step is I want to import an image here. I make a real estate leaflet design. So that's why I need some images. Fine, I import this image here. Okay, so I import this image here. Then the next step is I want to make a logo for a real estate company. I make a square first. Fine. Right. After making the logo, the next step is I want to write some content here. Fine. I make two column and I want to write some content. And select the image, right click, arrange being to front. So here is my text. I just align this right. Fine. Now I want to write some content here also. Fine, I write some content here, and then the bottom of my leaflet I want to put some social media icon over here. And I import some social media icons. Right, so here is my leaflet design. So please guys, if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.